Okay, yan. Alright. So, hi guys, yan. Welcome sa Module 3. So, Module 3 is all about product research. So, ano nga ba si product research? Okay, so Amazon product research is all about analyzing current market trends, choose winning items, something that can generate high sales. Okay, so basically, ito is maghahanap tayo ng product. Okay, so iba't ibang business model, iba't ibang method ng paghahanap ng product. Okay, so we have three business models na method or na hahanapan ng products. We have the online arbitrage, we have the wholesale, and we have the private label. Okay? Yan. And before we go in deep dive sa method, okay, so syempre, kailangan alam natin ang mga mga gated and restricted categories para syempre hindi na natin to hanapin during the product research. Okay? So ano nga ba yung gated and restricted categories? Okay? So these are categories that needs permission to list your product. Okay? So kailangan lang natin ng permission para ma-list yung product or ma-post natin kay Amazon. So to get approval to sell in Amazon, gated categories may require invoices from authorized wholesalers. So basically kailangan lang natin dito ng like mga invoice, okay, permission, authorization, okay, yan, para makapagbenta tayo kay Amazon. Okay, so yan. Yan yung mga kailangan natin, especially sa mga gated and restricted categories. And ano ba yung mga gated and restricted categories? Okay, so these are the list. Okay, ito yung list ng current restricted and gated categories. Nandiyan si collectible coins. Okay, so hindi naman ibig sabihin hindi natin siya mabibenta. So kailangan lang natin dito ng like permit or invoice. Okay, para pwede natin siyang ibenta kay Amazon. Okay, and alright. So, okay, so requirements for getting Amazon category approval in restricted categories. So these are the requirements. So first of all, we need, so kailangan natin ng, syempre, professional Amazon seller account. Okay, so discuss natin yan sa module 1. So if professional ka, isa yan sa requirements na kailangan. Okay, the next one is kailangan syempre ang ating mga product is galing sa isang authorized wholesalers. Okay, so we have to find genuine, okay, or legit authorized wholesaler based in the US. Okay, so avoid clearance or liquidation sites. So dapat is legit yung ating wholesalers na makukuha. Okay, or suppliers, sorry. Yan. Then make sure na, okay, you have the original invoices. So this is very powerful. Ito talaga yung kalimitan na nakakapagpa-approve, okay, dun sa mga gated categories, especially dun sa mga restricted categories or restricted product. Okay, invoices correctly addressed to your seller account name and registered address and dated within the last 90 days. Yan, so kailangan yan. Okay, alright. Then the next one is, syempre kailangan natin ng local return address and language support. Okay, so you must be able to provide a return delivery address in local country. Okay, so Amazon provide this if you're doing the FBA. So kailangan natin ng return address. Okay, and you also need to be able to provide a local language support for customer service in the country which you wish to sell. Yan. Okay, these are the requirements pagdating sa restricted and gated categories. All right. Okay, and the other one is we do have the seller metrics. Syempre, kailangan para ma-approve ka dapat is okay na okay ang ating metrics sa Amazon. So, andyan si late shipment rate, which is the LSR, dapat is 4%. Okay, so 2.5%, so pre-fulfillment cancel rate. Yan, and then 1% naman sa order defect rate. Yan. So, this is a sample of good seller metrics. So, syempre, bibigyan tayo ng approval, okay, ni Amazon pagka maganda yung metrics natin sa pagbebenta. Okay? So, yun ang yung mga percentage na kailangan yung tandaan. Okay? Alright. And that's it. It's gonna be end of the module for the product research. Okay? Alright. So, see you on the next topic.